So hello Sierra, hello everyone who is watching this short video just to show you how you can translate a Uptail experience. So I have created here an experience. I will go directly into the studio. In the studio, you see that I have added some text elements in English and also audio interaction. For the audio interaction, you can check here in the media gallery. So it's basically a text-to-speech, and I just copy-pasted some elements from a New York Times article. So the whole idea is to translate everything written in the experience. So you go first into the setting area. Here, the default languages is English, but I will select another languages in which I want to translate my experience. So I will select here the Indonesian. I clicked on apply. I have here a small information saying that it had been synchronized. And you can see here that there is a menu that appears with the two different languages. So I select the Indonesian. I didn't make any change in my experience, so I can quit without the element unsaved that could be lost. So here you see that there is some elements that are missing. Basically, it's the one we were in English because the translation is not complete. So you clicked here on the small button and you complete the translation. And here the text reappears and the list of media has been refreshed. Of course, it's an automatic translation, so I'm sure that there is some elements that will not be translated correctly, or elements, technical expression, for example, that need some modification but made manually. So what you can do is to save your experience. You go back into the menu, you refresh your web page, and you'll see, that there is a section here that appears, which is the flat translator. So the flat translator is a basic tool, but it helps you to put side by side the different written elements and to do the manual changes. So here I only have one scene, but if you have multiple scenes, you will have the different scenes and you can go from one to the other. And into the scene, you will have the interaction. So for the text, it's pretty easy. You have a caption here. You can see what it has been written in English and how it has been translated in Indonesian. And you can modify it, like, je sais pas, home, or you can add some elements. For the audio, so as is it a text-to-speech, it just replicates the media into the other languages. So if you click here into the narration, you see that it's the Indonesian version. But if you want, and you can, you can modify it directly and replace it. And if you want, you can check the English one, so the initial one, by selecting it and, and clicking on this small button to see the English version. So thanks to this flat translator, you will be able to make the modification and to see what was the initial version and which is the version which has been translated. So again, do not hesitate to contact me if you have any question on the translator or on any other tool of the platform. I'm at your disposal, and yes, have a nice day. See you. Bye.